Complex regional pain syndrome, or CRPS, can significantly alter how the nervous system processes touch, movement, and sensation. What might feel light or normal in one area can feel intense or overwhelming in another.
Just in the middle.
How about here?
In the middle, feel hard.
This area here.
It's more from here, where the scars are.
Changes in movement are also common with CRPS. Stiffness, guarding, or reduced range of motion can develop, not because the hand is damaged, but because the nervous system is protecting.
So this is just me explaining to you how it works from the CRPS, how it responds from your brain, comes around, gets your blood vessels, and neural response is much amplified, and then it triggers your hand, the injury site where the injury happened, which is right here, and then just amplifies. So that's what ends up being the final result, but we're going to make sure we retrain the brain so it gets to the point.
We try to come back to the reality.
That's correct. That's it.
Gentle warmth can help calm the nervous system, improve circulation, and prepare the hand for movement. In CRPS management, comfort and safety come first.
We'll see this. Now how do you do the movement? Less discomfort?
On the little one, yeah, it's a tiny a little bit better.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit better. There's more extra range of motion. So now we'll do some mirror therapy. I want you to close your hands and bring them back up. And imagining that is your right hand.
Mirror therapy is a powerful tool used in CRPS rehabilitation. By giving the brain visual feedback of normal, pain-free movement, we can begin to retrain how the nervous system responds.
How does it feel?
With the 2 fingers, so much better. I'm feeling like it's completely closing. I know probably it's not, but I'm feeling that it's completely closing.
That's really good.
The last one is still a little bit weird, but I can feel that probably it's closing a little bit more.
This is the nervous system learning. Movement becoming easier as the brain's threat response reduces. As sensitivity reduces, we can gradually reintroduce touch and movement with confidence.
So another exercise we could do at home, as you already know, is a Velcro. This helps desensitize. So this side is soft, and this one is more.
On this side?
Yes, and you do it on the sense where the scar is.
Yeah.
But be very mindful. You would just do 1, 2, 3. Start with 1, and then 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Desensitization strategies like this help retrain the nervous system to tolerate different textures. Alternating between soft and coarse input encourages the brain to recalibrate how it interprets sensation.
Yourself?
This finger is still a little bit weird.
Yes.
Recovery with CRPS is not always linear. Some areas improve faster than others, and that's okay. Progress is measured in small, meaningful changes.
One is so much better in both ways.
CRPS requires a thoughtful, individualized approach. With education, graded exposure, and nervous system retraining, meaningful improvement is possible.